Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Discover the top 5 best 3D printers for 2024, featuring cutting-edge technology and innovative designs for outstanding print quality and efficiency. From high-speed performance to ultra-precise detailing, these printers cater to a variety of needs and skill levels. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the best models available this year. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. Enjoy limitless creativity with the Tronxy XY3 SE 3D printer, a versatile 3-in-1 device featuring dual extrusion and laser engraving capabilities. With a spacious print size of 10.03 by 10.03 by 10.23 inches and an engraving size of 7.48 by 10.03 inches, this printer enables you to bring your ideas to life on a larger scale. The latest version comes with improvements including the elimination of the step-down device and free laser engraving software available through customer service. Whether you're interested in two-color printing or exploring laser engraving, the versatility and modular design of this printer makes it easy to unleash your creativity without programming hassles. 4. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer boasts impressive features tailored for both DIY enthusiasts and educational settings. With its 90% pre-assembled structure and stable triangular design, it ensures hassle-free setup and reduces printing vibrations, delivering consistently precise prints. Additionally, the innovative resume printing function and dual blower kit enhance user convenience and print quality, while the low-noise operation and lattice glass platform contribute to a seamless printing experience. Moreover, its advanced functionalities like the silent open-source motherboard and heat-resistant feed tube offer versatility and reliability for a variety of printing projects. 3. The Creality Ender 3v3K 3D printer offers smart control and exceptional print quality with its advanced features. It boasts a precise X-axis linear rail, high-speed printing, and auto-calibration for seamless operation. The hot end with a 60-watt ceramic heater supports up to 300 degrees Celsius printing, accommodating a variety of filaments. Dual cooling fans ensure rapid model cooling, while smart algorithms and a user-friendly interface enhance the printing experience. With capabilities for LAN and cloud printing, this compact yet versatile printer allows for efficient remote management and creative freedom. 2. The Creality K1 3D printer is designed for speed and precision, boasting a remarkable 600 mm per second print speed and 20,000 mm/s² acceleration, making it 12 times faster than typical FDM printers. It features hands-free auto-leveling with strain sensors in the hotbed for perfect prints every time. The sturdy Core-Xi frame ensures stability, while the 32 cubic millimeters per second max flow hot end with a ceramic heater quickly melts filament and dual cooling fans prevent warping. The G-sensor eliminates vibrations for crisper prints, and its robust design and user-friendly features make it a top choice for efficient, high-quality 3D printing. 1. The Sonic Mini 8K LCD 3D printer delivers an exceptional resolution of 22 micrometers and 1152 dpi, making it ideal for printing very complex miniatures and sculptures. The 7.1-inch LCD screen and 18 cm E-axis provide ample space for detailed creations. It is equipped with ultra-stable dual linear rails and a laser-cut crystalline build plate, ensuring consistent, high-quality prints. The LED linear projection unit improves light uniformity for sharp models, and runs on Phrozen OS with ChetuBox software compatibility. The Sonic Mini 8K is small but powerful,